What did I just do to myself? Those brows are not perfect. Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing the 5 minutes makeup challenge real quick just because I was tagged by Cindy. Yeah, so I'm going to start the countdown like right now. So yeah, hopefully I make it through and I'm able to do something. So I'm starting now. I'm thinking on start. Yeah, started. So I'm going to be using my, oh god, you guys, I don't know if I'm going to be doing well, but then this is NYX. Sorry, that was ELF. Anyways, I'm in like 4 minutes. Okay, and I'm using Juvia's foundation now. There's no time to do those scenarios I always do. So I definitely know if it's going around, but... and then I'm going to go in with my concealer, which I have here. Oh my god, you guys, I feel like I'm putting too much, and that's because I don't think I would want to conceal like every single all those angles we always conceal, but then I would definitely want to conceal my under eye. I don't know how many. Okay, I still have 4 minutes to focus. So I'm making it seem as if I have time. And I think I just want to put the concealer like up a little bit because I want to. Yes, and then I'm just going to brush that in and just pat. Oh my god, you people, I think I'm doing great. I mean, that was gone, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to do my brows. Shit, my pencils. And I'm using just pencil because mask cannot come and die. Okay, now I don't even know where my spoolie is. Damn, this is a mess, but I'm gonna go anyway. Okay, so I'm just like feeling so that I don't have to. Okay, I think they're filled enough. Then I'll just do this and do this. And should we leave? Hey Jesus, oh my god, you people, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just catching up and down. Okay, so now I'm just going to conceal my brows. I don't even know how long I still have. Hey, well, okay, I think I just destroyed my brows, but I'm just going to feel it rather than like start that whole process again. And then I'm just going to brush it out. Okay guys, that's like brows done. Then I'm just going with my powder. I'm checking. Jesus, guys, I have less than 2 minutes, so I'm just going in with my powder, and this is the loose finishing powder, so I'm just going to keep patting that on my face so I think I look good. Okay, I always just use this like when I'm in a hurry, like mad hurry. So I think that's like powder done, but I don't think my look will be complete if I don't use my black under eye eyeliner. So I'm just gonna do this like straight up. I use that, and I'm going to use my mascara real quick. Mascara. I don't want to do the bottom because I don't want to destroy my this thing now. And then lip gloss. You guys, I went far. I think I'm like great like this, even if I can still use style to just pop on highlighter. gosh, you just, oh my god, like just to make my cheeks look normal. And that's it, guys. I finished before time. Yes, I did. Man, I have 16 seconds left. I can go out like this. Margaret is good, guys, even though my brows don't look good, but I'm good. I guess I nailed my challenge. I made it, guys. I tried. I don't know what you can see, but I think I tried. Like, I tried. I can't say all, but I believe I tried. Like this 5 minutes makeup thing, I tried. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed me doing my 5 minutes makeup, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. I'm gonna take some quick shots for Easter, so let Instagram see how I'm doing. Guys, I did good. I did great. I don't know about you. I don't know what you're thinking. I mean, even though those brows are not perfect, I'm not browsy like what? Your twins, they don't look like twins. I mean, imagine if I saw a girl like this on the road. Like, it's not bad, but this is not me, guys. This is hey Chineke, who is this girl? What did I just do to myself? I tried, guys. I actually did try. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.